Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share you one knowledgeable video. In your busy working life, if you face problem like this, you will definitely feel like headache. Here you can see cursor is moving but screen is not moving to next page. Due to over storage or any other issue, you will face problem like this. But now I am going to press every button. Now I am trying every button but no response from the laptop side. So how to fix this problem? Let's see. So this is Durgesh from Galaxy Link YouTube channel. Here you can see now I'm going to press power button also. Yes, if you hold anything you do means it will not work. It came back to the same position. So in this condition what you have to do, now I'm going to tell you. You fold the laptop screen, then flip it back. In the back side here you can see one battery section is there. This battery you have to remove. In some of the latest laptop you can't remove your battery because they all are inbuilt battery, but in this external battery is given, so we can remove this battery and fix it again. So let's try if this idea is working or not. I believe this should work. By seeing this you can feel like this we know why you are making video like this, but out of 100% 70% people will know this, but that remaining 30% will not know this type of tricks also. So for them I am making this type of video. If anyone get some 1% knowledge also, then I can feel good. Friends, here you can see now our system is running. Friends, here you can see now our problem is got solved. Now we can use our laptop. So this is my friend's laptop. He faced a problem like this, then we are trying to fix it. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment what you think. Thank you for watching.